So a lot of people come in the shop and they have a look around and go, wow, we've not really seen these brands anywhere on the high street. And you won't, because I'm an absolute anorak when it comes to products. I import from Poland Never Enough, directly from them. The Olimp. The Never Enough is our own brand, which is phenomenal. But the Olimp brand we import, so people go, why do you go out your way to order all the way over in Poland, and you've got to get it shipped up, shipped in, and you have to wait a week? Simply because it's probably got the best sports supplement brand in Europe, and one of the best in the world. Their ingredients is unbelievably pure. Their presentations of their minerals, vitamins are second to none. I've seen nothing as good as that out there. So Olimp have been close to my heart for best part of 8 years now, and I wouldn't change them. They're a big prevalent part of my shop. People who take the Olimp products love the products, as they do with the Never Enough products and all the other products that we have in store. So yeah, if in doubt, have a look and go, if Olymp's there, you won't go far wrong. You really won't go far wrong. And that's why I do Olimp. Cheers guys, bye.